In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Gmail subscription. This process is quite straightforward, but attention to detail is key to ensuring everything is handled smoothly. Let's get started on navigating this with confidence. First, begin by logging into your Google account. This is a crucial step since you'll need to access your account settings directly, and you must be logged in to do that. Open your web browser and head over to the Google account page. If you haven't saved your login information, make sure you have your username and password ready to avoid any hassle. Once you are logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of the Google account homepage. There, you will find a menu with several options. You'll want to click on the Payments and Subscriptions section. It might sound a bit different if you're using a different language setting, but the intent remains the same. This page holds everything related to your transactions and subscriptions. On the Payments and Subscriptions page, you'll see several tabs. The one we're interested in concerns subscriptions you currently have, so locate the Manage Subscriptions tab. Click on it, and this will bring up a list of all active subscriptions linked to your Google account. This list is vital for seeing all the services you may have signed up for, possibly even ones you forgot about. Look through your subscriptions to find the Gmail subscription you wish to cancel. Click on it, and this will take you to the details of that specific subscription. Here you'll find information about billing cycles, payment methods, and the terms of the subscription. Now, you should be able to see an option to cancel subscription. Follow the prompts carefully, as some subscriptions may offer you incentives to stay, such as a discount or a free trial period for an upcoming feature. Such offers are designed to tempt users into maintaining their subscriptions, so weigh these offers against your decision to cancel. Should you decide that canceling is the best step forward, confirming your choice will set the cancellation process in motion. After you've confirmed cancellation, you'll receive a notification or an email confirming the cancellation of your subscription. Keep an eye out for this, as it will serve as proof should you encounter any disputes or misunderstandings later on. Finally, it's a good idea, once all is done, to double-check your subscription list. This ensures that the subscription is no longer active. If it's been removed, you've successfully canceled your Gmail subscription. That's all there is to it. Remember, taking the time to periodically review and manage your subscriptions ensures you're only paying for what you truly use. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.